children, just see, today I'll teach you about the letters, okay, types of letter, which we have done in previous classes also. But here also I would like you to listen to me carefully so that you could come to know that how many letters are there, okay. And this letter, while as you have already given to do the formal or informal letter. So today I will teach you what are the letters, different types of letters, and how you have to write so that you can score good marks in all while doing your letters. Now just see letters. The letters are of two types. Okay, one is formal and another one is informal. Another one is informal. So what is formal, what is informal, you will come to know when we will do both these type of letters in detail. So first of all, let us take informal letter, because informal letter is very easy to attempt. Okay, easy to do. Now in informal letter, what do you mean by informal letter? Informal letter means friendly letter, which you write to your dear and near ones, which you write to your friends, okay, which you write to your mother, your acquaintance whom you know very well, okay. So this is called informal letter, okay, friendly letter. And in board, this letter comes off 10 marks. 10 marks, there you will have an option, you will have a choice of selecting one letter that is formal or informal. So let us do informal letter first. How to do informal letter, and what I am telling you, first of all, the format of informal letter, that is friendly letter. What we do in informal letter first we write sender's address. Sender means to whom you are writing that letter, to whom you are sending that letter. That is sender, means who is the sender now? You are the sender. Okay, it means you will have to write in informal letter, in friendly letter, you will write sender's address first. Sender's address means your address. Suppose I am writing letter to any one of my friends, it means I am writing my address first, and my address is, you will write here, as I live in village Chori, so I am giving my full address here. That is called sender's address. So what you would write first, that comes sender's address. And remember children, if you will write correctly, then you will be granted half marks on it. Okay, no matter what you have written after the letter, but if you have written sender's your address very correctly, very truly, then you will be granted half marks letter without seeing the mistakes of another part. Then very important, the date of the letter. On what date you have written this letter? That is 15th February. Today is 15th February. So I am taking this class. I am teaching you how to write letter on 15th February. It means I am writing a letter to my friend on 15th February. So I will write completely February. The month's name should not be written shortly. It should not be given, you should not give the abbreviation of this month. You will write completely, that is 15th February 2021. It means what you have written? You have written date. And this date will give you half marks. Now out of 10, as it comes of 10 marks, so out of 10, how many marks you have scored? 1 marks completely without seeing the another part of the letter. Now come to salutation. This is called salutation. This simple. To whom you are writing letter? Dear friend, if you are writing dear friend, that is okay. If you have written your friend's name, that is also okay. If you are writing a letter to your mother, dear mother, dear father, and don't forget to put comma. Okay, comma plays an important role, very, very important role. Here also, one thing I have forgotten to tell you, that is 15th February. After month's name, you will have to put one comma here. And then here, after writing months, this year, you have to put full stop. Then it will give you half marks. If anything will be missing, suppose comma will be missing, then you will not be granted half marks. Clear? So half marks for date only when everything will be written correctly. Then come to dear Ria, that is called salutation, and it will be incomplete until unless you put comma here. Clear? Now, you have to write a letter in very proper way. It should not go zigzag. It should be in a line. Okay, it should be in a lane. Proper it should look. Okay, now here after ya you are putting inverted comma, and this is salutation, and salutation of this writing this two words only, these two words only will grant you half marks. See how easy to score marks while doing any letter. That is salutation. Salutation will give you half marks. Okay, so 1.5 marks are in your hand yet. Okay, it's very easy to score. Now come to opening lines. Opening lines should be very, when you ask about the health and wealth of your wealth, that is health only, and other things also, where suppose how are you, I hope you are fine, okay, you just write, which you give just an intro part of the letter, that is opening lines. Very easy to write. And the way why you are writing that letter to your friend, you give a hint on this, that is called an opening line. Okay, and after opening lines you will write the main points. Okay, why you have written that letter to your friend. Suppose I am writing letter to my friend to invite her to spend her summer vacation with me. So I will write here, how are you, hope you are fine, and hope this letter will find you in good health and all. Okay, to ask some general things about, and then I will write that the main reason of writing my letter is to invite you to spend your summer vacation with me. And here you will write why you want the main points, which is called expression. Which is called expression. This expression will tell you. Okay, means here you will tell what are your aim of writing, of sending that letter to your friend. Okay, and in the end, as that pay my regards to your mother, to your father, that is you have to write, means these opening lines, this expression, main points, which is called content. Content means main point, why you have written that letter. Okay, and that is the closing lines, how you conclude the letter. Here it comes in closing line. So three main important thing is called body of the letter. This body of the letter. Okay, and here this body of the letter means here you will write the main point, the content of the letter. I'll tell you later that how many marks you can score while writing this. Then the last part comes, that is called subscription. In subscription, if you are writing informal letter, so you should remember only two things. Either you write your loving friend, okay, or you write yours lovingly. Two things. If you are writing your loving friend, one should be capital. Your loving friend, comma. Comma is must here also. If you have written comma, if you have put comma, only then you will be granted marks. Or if you do not want to write your loving friend, then you can write yours lovingly, comma. Okay, yours lovingly is common to all. Means if you are writing a letter to your mother, father, friend, this is common. But here you can say that your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving friend, anything you can write. This will change according to your salutation. Okay, subscription will change according to your salutation. It depends to whom you are writing letter. And this salutation, either you are writing yours lovingly, this will give you half marks. But when comma is there, until unless you will put comma, the marks will not be granted. So, and one of the main important points while writing informal letter is that you should conclude the letter with your first name only. You will not write, suppose I have written this, my full name is Poonam Guru, but I will not write here Poonam Guru. I will sign it as my first name only, Poonam. Means when you write an informal letter, remember you will have to write your first name only. Okay, and this first name, this sign will give you half mark. Now how easy? From beginning I am telling you, half marks granted for your address, sender's address, half marks for date, half marks for salutation, half marks for what? Subscription. This is called subscription part, and half marks for your first name. It means how total marks in format. This is called, all this thing is called format of the letter. So format of the letter, how many marks you have scored? Half, half, 1, half, half, 1, and that is half. It means 2.5. Now see, in format you have scored 2.5 marks. Okay. Now what is content? What is content? Content is the point, that is body of the letter. In this body of the letter, you will be granted, you have to write at least 7-8 main points so that you will be granted. This content will give you 2.5 marks. Okay. So this body of the letter, again I am telling you, will give you 2.5 marks. So it becomes 5. Now how many marks you have to score, which will give you 10 marks. It means 5 more, and this 5 more is your expression. Expression includes each and everything, that how you have presented your letter. That comes in expression. Okay. So if your everything has been written, then you will be granted 5 marks. If your letter comes in a proper way, then it will give you 5 marks. Then it becomes total 10 marks. So how easy to score 10 marks. Okay. Remember, informal letter means you are writing to your friend, and one thing we will not do, as you have the habit of writing, when you write your subscription part, when you write subscription yours, you have the habit of putting apostrophe s, which is completely wrong. Okay. Apostrophe is not, you should not put apostrophe when you write yours. Only YOURS. It is completely, absolutely correct in subscription part. And one more thing, you have the habit of writing every time thanking you. Okay. This thanking you will not come in informal letter. It comes in formal letter, which we will do shortly. So children, you might have understood how informal letter is. You have to write how you have to write an informal